Hey, I wanted to show you my new barn. It's so awesome. I just got it now and I built it. So here you can see inside, but it's really dark. The roof. Okay, up here we also have a door. The wheel to get cable up or down. Okay. It's really new, so like it doesn't hold really good. Okay. Those are the doors. They're not working good. So good because it's a new barn. That's normal. Okay. And here you can see. So this barn has 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3 doors. Maybe 4 when you are counting this one. Okay. It has windows. Really nice here. I'm just rearranging my barn. It's really messy. I'm gonna turn the barn. Here's the second door. And it's real wood. And this is plastic. Okay, open. I have a tip. With soap, make it like that, and then working together. That's why it's working here soap. Okay. Just can take those only. The top door. So here you can see it has 4 boxes. One here, one here, one there, and one here. They all have doors. Good. And you also can change it if you want to. Do that here or so. But this way, how it's big is better. Okay. Yeah, that's my rapport. I love it. Please look my new Schleichborn tour, the better one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.